Eduardo Moura will be fighting Soil Kim, and Eduardo Moura is very much known for early finishes, great submissions, great ground and pound game. Soil Kim riding a score of 8-1-0, 5'3", 62 inches of reach out of South Korea. This chick was better than Noel Grandjean, Morgan Freddy, Raika Miko, and this chick is also a submission specialist, so it's gonna be entertaining to take a look at the event between two submission specialists. And also, Soil Kim was having an extensive background in kickboxing, where she had ups and downs. She was winning, losing, but majority of her fights went the distance, and she is more dangerous on the ground. So I believe Soil Kim has a lot of experience behind herself, and I believe this is going to be a lovely, lovely fight. Eduardo Moura proved her value at Dana White Contender Series, where she submitted Janaina Silva. So I'm gonna say over 1.5, but side call going to be Eduardo Moura. But it's gonna be entertaining one.